Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Uncle Stan. Now, as soon as some of y'all heard my name, you started thinking, well, I know Uncle Stan, but you may not have been able to remember why. Well, here's the thing. First of all, if you happen to have had Mr. Bailey in U.S. history last year, well, there's a chance that we met because I have been known to cover his class from time to time. Now, if you did not have Mr. Bailey last year, you might be thinking, well, then how do I know him? Well, you may be confusing me with my more, shall we say, well-known cousin, Uncle Sam. Okay? Sam, Stan, they could be confused kind of easily. Now, if you ever meet us in person, you will clearly know the difference. I'm much easier to remember because my hair is much better than his. But don't tell him I said that. He gets a little sensitive about it. Anyhow, all day today you've been learning about what it means to be trustworthy as a part of how it is that you are to be a tiger this year. And you've learned about how being a tiger in the hallway and going to lunch and in the restroom in the office and how, taking care of your binder and bringing it to class. Well, now we're going to be mentioning something here about going on school events and field trips. Now, it says right there on your screen, we will meet at the designated area at the assigned time. Now, I know for a fact that you, as an 8th grader, will be having a field trip in October. It's what they call an academically required field trip to Hillsborough County Public Schools. You'll be going to this thing called JA Finance. Now, you'll learn more about that later, but just to understand, it is already on the calendar for you to go. See? Now, it says right there, it is the student's responsibility to report to designated areas. Yep, student's responsibility. Now, if you're not there at the right time and in the right place, everyone else could get delayed. See, it says right, departures may be delayed, and you may even get left at school if you're not where you're supposed to be. And see, that just can ruin and delay the whole thing for everybody. So as you would have had in previous class periods today, you do have a little discussion question or a question you need to answer. The question for this period is, how is safety impacted when students are not reporting at the designated areas timely? In other words, how is safety impacted when you or your friends are not where they're supposed to be at the time they're supposed to be there when it comes to things like field trips and school events? So take a few moments, get that question answered, and I do hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at Tomlin.